Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that how to fix Crime Screen Cleaner, every kind of crashing problem or the freezing or the lagging issues. Guys, why this happen? Because a lot of processes is running on your PC background, so all you need to do is just simply restart your PC. I will show you guys the multiple method to fix this problem, so you just need to apply them one by one and see, and then your problem is definitely fixed. These are very important settings. By simply restarting your PC will fix your all kind of issues because it closes all the background application which are consuming lot of your RAM or the CPU usage or the lot of your bandwidth usage on your PC. So right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager after restarting, then go to the startups apps on the top. And guys, here you will see all the background application. Whenever you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission, cause a lot of CPU usage, RAM usage, which will also cause your game crash. So what you need to do is just disable all of this application. Make sure you don't disable these important application. You can just disable these useless application. As you can see, I have already disabled this. And guys, once you done that, just close it. Now we are going to set the high performance power plan for our PC. Go to the Windows setup at the control panel and simply open it. Now guys, here select the view bar to the large icons and then click on the power options you are seeing here. And once you click on the power options, on the left hand side, click on the create a power plan. Now here you can simply select the high performance power plan, click on the next, click on the create. If you have the laptop, or then you can select the balanced power plan. Now guys, we are going to increase our RAM, so our disk space is used instead of our RAM. You can go to the Windows setup with the view advanced system setting and open it. Now here go to the advanced tab, then click on the setting, and here just go to the advanced and you will see the virtual memory. Click on the change. Now here uncheck this box of the automatically manage paging file size. Select the C where your operating system is installed. Click on the custom size. Go to the Windows setup where the calculator. Guys, once you open it, now we are going to use our disk space instead of our RAM. Whenever our game need more CPU to run or the RAM to run, our disk space is used instead of our RAM. If you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024, and type this value in the initial size, and multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Guys, as you can see, I have already set these values, and if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024, and type this in the initial size, multiply it with the 3, type this in the maximum size. Click on the set option, click on the OK, click on the apply. If you have any other RAM, then you can do the same steps. Now guys, we are going to increase the number of processors whenever our game need more processor to run. So you can go to the Windows setup at the system configuration, open it, go to the boot section on the top. Now click on the advanced options. Now guys, here you will see the number of processors. Just check this and select the maximum number of processors you are seeing here. If you will see the 8, 16, 32, any number here, you can select the maximum. Then guys, simply click on the OK, click on the apply. Now whenever our game need more resource, more CPU to run, then our maximum number of processor will use. Then you can simply restart your PC, and after the restarting, your every kind of crashing problem will be fixed. And I hope guys this video is helpful for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I wish you guys in the next video.